LUCHACABRE here.
And we got future Lucha coming at you, Luch 3.0, in the present time, people, bringing you the Raider Nation edition of the Tao Tao Cheetah 125 that we're going to bring to you in commemoration of the last season of the Raiders here in California, people. So, we got the silver and black attack. You see how that works?
So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and slap this together, and he's going to tell you guys what we're going to do.
That's not all we're going to slap, people.
Yeah.
But stick around for more of that. And what we're going to do today, people, we got some handlebars and some tires, obviously. We got some tie rod ends to put on, probably a shock or two, or 3 or 4 maybe. I bet we're going to have a special surprise at the end, huh?
Yeah, probably.
So you guys need to stay tuned for that, okay, people?
Yep, so we're going to get the back rack on also, the front bumper, get the battery charged up.
Oh, yeah, that stuff too.
Yep, and we're going to go ahead and speed up this whole motion, because you guys have seen this before, but we want to just show you guys a quick assembly. So hopefully this will be a semi-quick video. We never know how that goes. So
it won't be quick.
Yeah, can you look to the future, Lucha?
Nothing's ever quick with us.
Can you look to the future, Lucha?
I see a fully assembled cheetah in our future.
You see the Raiders here in California?
No, not at all.
Toodles.
Later, Raiders.
Later, Raiders. Haters.
Later, Raider haters.
So let's get on with it.
Did you push the button?
Not yet.
How come it's blinking?
I don't know.
Well, let's get on with it.
Shall we?
Come on with it. Stop and listen to my rhyme as I spit it. Damn, roof is on fire cause I lit it up. And I don't ever stop. Y'all be crazy when you hear the bass drop like a bomb. Y'all know that I'm the dealer, the thriller, the urban gorilla. When it comes to killing nothings, I'm the MC killer. Busting the cap when I rap. Mr. No Bone, put Venice on the map. Let's get funky. I've been losing verses since an 8 tray. Let's all just live for today. Cause I know there's gotta be a better way. Time to pray. I am that I am. I flow harder than a broken down dam. Let the beat slam and come on with it. Come on with it. Come on with it. If you want to believe the beginning. Come on with it. Just like Ice Cube, I'm wicked. Just sit back, relax, and let me kick it. Cause you know I'm gonna stick it where the sun don't shine.
Lucha here with my buddy Bucket. Coming at you guys, showing you what comes along with your Tao Tao Cheetah 125. Of course, it comes with your battery and battery hold downs here. It also comes with a neat toy that if you can blow in it hard enough, you can make it go. No, it's for your tire pressure gauge. You have your tool satchel, which comes complete with tools that you'll want to peruse at your convenience, people. It also comes with the owner's manual, people, with some spare fuses in there. In case your lights don't work, don't call Tao Tao and say, hey man.
Hello?
They'll say, did you check your fuse? You got it covered. More fuses. It also comes with a neat instructional CD, people, which, if you watch it, will tell you neat instructional stuff. And we'll tell you all about everything you need to know on your Tao Tao Cheetah 125. It also comes with 2 different kinds of tires, people. It comes with your round tires, which you'll probably want to come put on the front because it's easier to steer that way. It also comes with your Chinese square tires, people, which would probably go on the back in case you're going through 4-foot mud. It gives a better grasp. That's why they call it the cheetah. So because it's got the square back tires. So it can grasp like a cheetah. And make you go quick through the mud holes. Make sure you also use your blue Loctite on all the bolts you put on here so your stuff doesn't come flying off on the trail. And make sure you go over all the other bolts too before you put it on the trail because you never know what might have rattled loose during shipping. So make sure you put a wrench on everything, people. A wrench on everything. And also, people, listen to this CD. It's a top 10 CD. It's got a lot of great hits on it, people. I give it an 8.6 because it's easy to dance to and it's got a great beat. So check it out, people. Coming to a store near you.
So now that he told you what parts and everything, we're going to go ahead and put it together and get the wheels and tires on, get the rack on, get all that stuff done.
Nice
we're
rack.
We're going to do it in a sped up motion again.
There's nothing to it, people. Even I can do it.
We're going to speed this up, so let's get on with it.
Shall we?
Hey, what's the capital of Thailand?
Don't hit me in the pecker is what it is. They changed the name. Didn't you get it? Didn't you get the memo?
If you want some of me, come and get it. If you throw me a curve, I'ma hit it with my baseball bat. The track that I'm ripping is so damn bad. My homies always got my back. I'm killing it softly like a bird of flak. Jack, down to attack. When it comes to the ladies, I'm the gangster Mac. Come on, baby, let's do the dance. The death dance, baby, dance till you take your last breath. Now it's time to get low down until you find yourself below you 6 feet on the ground. Then you start to hear the beats of milk bone pound. I want everybody to get up and shout. Cause life is good and there's no doubt. I'm out, so come on with it.
And always remember with your seat,
Unwrap your seat before you seat your meat, people, because you don't want to skid mark up your seat. Now, people, yeah, as you can see, the battery does go in the battery slot. And what we can do there is, once we pop a, give me a knife or something. I need to make this drain faster. Now, kids, don't try this at
what do you
home.
do with my knife?
What knife?
Did you not put my knife back?
That one?
That one right
It
here.
doesn't have no sharp tip.
There's
You
a,
gotta do it. Oh my goodness.
here you go.
People, would you just look at the crap we have to deal with here?
You're the one that did that, remember? It was the bear.
I couldn't help it. I had to fight off the mountain lion.
I thought it was a puma.
It was a raccoon.
Oh. Stabbed her right in the toothless.
I got the toofer right off that raccoon.
Boy, it's amazing how it goes from a bear to a puma, and now it's a raccoon.
And don't forget, you can fight off any vicious rabid squirrels with one of these too.
Yeah.
Now, once your thirsty little battery has sucked up all its electrolytes, it's a healthy puppy. You can take this and completely seal your battery. And of course, it says do not open. And once it's on, we will never open it again. Much like the Raiders' career, we will never open it again.
Toodle-oodle.
So, there you have it. That's how you get your electrolytes in your battery. What are you doing over here, Chip?
I'm peeling the plastic.
He's peeling. He must have been in the sun too long.
Yeah.
Remember, always make your positive connection first. And yes, I'm positive that that's what you need to do. Now then, the battery bulls. Battery. Somebody stole Joe Battery. What are you doing there, Chip?
We're going to make this a little easier. What you can do is you can take out your dipstick here.
What'd you call me?
Sit down, kid, and let the Luch and Bucket here tell you a story about complete ignorance. While we were here today in Dorito's palace, he tells me, I wish I had the little remote control thing you got, because you can stop and start your videos. All I got is this one. It just takes pictures.
It just took pictures. That's
It just takes pictures. So I tell him, did you put your phone on video and then press the button? And you saw the light bulb go, bing! Holy crap, you can do that? Look, Dipstick, that's what it's for!
Pretty neat, the little things you learn here in the garage, isn't it?
Yes, we've been putting these together quite a few times, and we're learning the little shortcuts.
Trust me, I know about little shortcuts.
Yes, he does.
All right, now make sure your battery connections are Guten tight.
Yep. Got one on.
So do I.
Okay, have you tightened up the handlebars yet?
Yes.
Okay, so what you had to basically do was put the tie rod ends on, put the handlebars on, put the back rack, the front bumper on, air up the tires, put your battery in, and gas it up, and it's good to go. So it's not really too much work with this thing, and you got yourself a nice little family unit for your kid to enjoy and everything like that. And it's even a cool color.
You can't go wrong with black.
We're going to go ahead and get this thing down, get some fuel in it, and get ready to get it started. And then see what we think. All right? So let's get on with it.
Shall we? Ah! It's called Don't Hit Me in the Pecker No More. The the locator device.
Yep. Okay, guys, so there you have it. We got the Tao Tao Cheetah 125. We put the rack on, put the handlebars on, got the tires on, got the tie rod ends on.
Tie rod is very good.
Yeah.
Very good. You see, you can teach a chip something.
Yeah. Now, we also went over everything and tightened it up and made sure everything was snug. And we also used a lot of Loctite on everything. That's the thing. Use blue Loctite when you're tightening everything down. Now take it away, Luch.
Well, this is a really neat thing that we got assembled today. You've seen it before, but we'll see it again. Now, it comes with a neat feature that as long as you've got your key turned on, you can start your Tao Tao Cheetah 125 from wherever you are, people.
It's a really good feature with your kid. Let's say I'm the kid and I get on the bike.
What do you mean, let's say?
Yeah, okay. And Lucci is...
Oh no! Junior's gonna take off on my fine ride!
And I'm...
Stop, thief! Stop, thief!
Oh boy. It's really, really loud. There we go, you just unlock it.
Or you just take the key away from Junior and kick him in the butt.
And then you tell him, you put the key back in. Yeah, you turn it back on. Dad takes the remote.
I'm sorry, Junior, you've been a good kid. Go for a ride! I ran over my foot!
Yeah.
These damn kids these days.
Wasn't much to run over. That's starting. You need the button right here, Dad.
Which button?
That button would be right here. Stop.
That's the button I pushed! Thanks, son!
And then you hit the unlock button.
Oh!
That's what makes the noise stop. The very annoying noise.
You know what makes the noise stop? A gag in your mouth.
That's very true. So also, too, it's got a safety harness
A
as
special
well.
feature if Junior flies off.
It's got a little safety connector that this disconnects.
You hook this onto his nose ring.
Yep, and he falls off and shuts it off automatic. So we showed you
You want to
guys
show him how it's done?
No, let's not.
Can I push you off?
No, let's
Let's
not.
attach it to your nose ring.
Let's attach it to yours.
I got rid of mine a long time ago.
Well, then there we go. So anyways, guys, that's the Tao Tao
Whoa,
Cheetah
hey, easy.
125 black and gray edition.
The silver and black attack, people.
Yeah.
Coming your way at a stadium near you.
Toodles.
Toodles.
So anyways, guys, there you have it. We're going to go ahead and get on another four-wheeler. And
He's working me hard today, people.
yeah, we got a couple to do. So anyways, want to thank you guys
Captain.
for watching. Captain.
Captain.
So anyways, guys, want to thank you guys for watching DORITO.
And the LUCHACABRE, Future Luch, coming at you. Stay tuned for more exciting builds coming your way at a stadium near you. Near you.
Yeah, we do have a lot of builds coming up, guys. So keep your eyes out.
Eyes open.
Yep. And thanks for watching.
You guys rock.
Peace. Oh, wait a minute. I had the remote.
Oh, here we go with technology again. Watch this
This
crap,
is the cool
people.
part. Yeah, this is the
We're
cool
going to
part.
go right now.
We're gonna go like this.
We're gonna go
We're
like
gonna go
this.
like this, and we're gonna go like this. Oh, it's still recording.
Oh my God.
Today's segment is brought to you by Star Mix. It has all your favorites. It has snakes and cherries and, oh crap, and even Coca-Cola. Enjoy! It's refreshing. Doesn't work now, does it?